Hi, today I'm going to show you how to repair a 10 kilowatts Victron this inverter. So you could see everything in Victron is repairable except for the main board. Everything is repairable except for the main board. This side is a power supply side at the back. At the back of this board is the inverter side and the two transformers. So even that board is repairable. The only problem is this board. If this board, the processor is gone, you have to replace it with a new board or something like that. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this with less than 20 bucks, way less. So we're going to change this process. This microcontroller is the one that's got a problem, and I remember it got hex file. So if you put a new microprocessor, it won't work because due to the hex file. The rest of the IC, don't worry about them. It's only they have got only logic gates. So the main thing is this processor. So you have to test it. So I've already tested this one. It's not working. It's a short circuit. So I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna take it out and replace it with another mainboard. Since I don't have a 10K mainboard, I can use any mainboard. Okay, this one is a 3 kVA, which is working fine. So the only thing you can do for now, you can use this mainboard, but since it's working, so I'm not gonna use this one. But for the test purposes, this and a 10 kVA mainboard, they are the same thing. So you can connect this one there to see if the inverter is working, if it's working fine. But if you put the color control and stuff, it will show you a 3 kVA. So you don't want that. You want it to show a 10 kVA. So just find one of the inverter that is not working, maybe a 5 kVA. That's another 5 kVA. This one, the power supply is fucked up and the main board is fucked up. So I'm gonna use this main board to do a 10 kilowatts, 5 kVA main board to do a 10 kilowatts controller. So what do you need? You need this main board. You take out the microcontroller, you buy a new one, you put that blank one, and then you put a hex file on it, the 10 kVA hex file. I'll show you how to do that. This is the 10 kVA main board. I already removed the processor. As you can see, the 10 kilowatts. But this main board cannot work due to this. The capacitors were blown and everything was blown, so there's a hole there on the main board. So we need the main board. Remember to keep this thing because the 5 kVA one is shorter, so you need this thing for communication. Went to Maintech in South Africa. I bought 2 microcontroller. These are the 2 microcontroller for Victron. So they are blank at the moment. They are new blank. And these are the cables that will help me program this. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this microprocessor here and put the new one. Gonna remove it. This is a 5 kilowatts. We're gonna remove it, put the new one and program it. So in order to remove it, I advise don't use a soldering iron. Best to use the pot. The pot remove it perfectly. The microprocessor is out. The microprocessor is out. What do you need to know? We need the hex file on this microprocessor. To get the hex file from this, I'm gonna use this student programming kit. With packet 3. There's the packet 3. I'm gonna use this tool to get information from this microprocessor. So remember, if the microprocessor is short circuited, sometimes you cannot get the information. This one is short circuited, but I can still read it. So yeah, it's a 40 pin. So even this one, it's also a 40 pin. So I'm going to put it here, read it on the computer, copy the hex file, put a new one here. Those hex file that I copy from this one, I'm gonna put it here. Then yeah, I'll be ready to go. Okay, the previous one I was adding only the 5 volt, so I added the power supply for the 5 volt. So yeah, so if we say output for 5 volt, this thing comes on, all of it, all the lights comes on, because I supplied the 12 volt, the 5 volt. Okay, I connected using the P3 software. So when I say read, configure done. Let's check if this is blank, because the memory is not blank starting it. Okay, let's see if I could say import Squadro, imported successfully, then write. Yeah, there I put it a hex file. So if you check there, I don't know, but yeah, this is accepting the hex file. Yeah, successfully installed. When putting a microprocessor, just put this plate so that next time we just put a processor in. If the processor fails, it's easy to replace. So now I'm gonna put the processor now. Now everything is connected. It picks it up on the color control. There it is. Okay, yeah, I didn't remove that ring, so yeah, I just put that microprocessor on top of that ring. Yeah, everything is fine at this stage. Yeah, even here it can still communicate with the color control. So yeah, everything is working fine. This is how you program the peak for Victron. Yeah, this is the end of the video. Yeah, I'm gonna subscribe. I'm gonna show you more, even how to if you are using a single phase, to use a 3-phase inverter on a single phase. Yeah, I'm working on that now. Thank you. Now everything is connected. It picks it up on the color control. There it is. Okay, yeah, I didn't remove that ring, so yeah, I just put that microprocessor on top of that ring. Yeah, everything is fine at this stage. Yeah, even here it can still communicate with the color control. So yeah, everything is working fine. This is how you program the peak for Victron. Yeah, this is the end of the video. Yeah, I'm gonna subscribe.